What's up, YouTube? So I bought a bike stand. Been working on my bike a little bit on the wheels and brakes sometimes, cleaning it, and really wanted to get a bike stand to make it easier on me. And so I bought this on Amazon. It's the Cyclespeed bike stand. It's rated for 85 pounds or less, and that's good because e-bikes are heavy. So you need kind of a more of a heavy-duty bike stand if you are going to work on your bike at all. The electric is 63 pounds, I believe. So you want something more heavy duty. It's got pretty big legs, as you can see. These are probably good, over 2 feet long at least. And it does swivel a bit. It's got a little handy tray here for your tools. And there's only really one way to hook this onto electric. And so I'll show you that next on Crisscrossed. Alright, so this cycle stand is 99 bucks on Amazon, and it comes with a, you know, as a kind of a pole. You just undo the clamps down here, kind of like a bike seat, and the legs pop down. You can slide it up and down. This part here, the telescoping arm. Comes up like that. I've got mine set so that the wheels are only a couple inches off the ground at this particular height. And when I first got it, I wasn't quite sure how to attach it to the bike in order to hold it. This arm here actually rotates. If you unscrew it here, you can rotate this arm, and there's kind of a almost like a vice grip here that you basically undo. You can see that. See that there, that vice grip, and you can adjust this width of this. But there's actually a very specific way you need to adjust this to work on your electric bike. Now basically you need to angle this piece to match the angle of the bike seat. So if you look at the bike seat, you can see it's angled this way. So the attachment on the bike stand needs to match that essentially. So if I'm doing this correctly, let's see, we need to switch this here. So I'm going to loosen the arm. I'm going to turn it to match the angle of the bike stand. So I'm not sure what percentage angle this is, but just use your eyes and tighten it back up. And then you can actually put the bike on. Show you how I do it. So what I will do is I'll pick it up from the handle here. Now this bike weighs 63 pounds, so don't do this if you can't lift that kind of weight. But here's how I put it up. So I'll grab it here, bring it over to the grips. Okay. Now I've got it lined up to the very top of the C-post. I'm going to tighten it here. And voila, the bike is now suspended in midair. I can rotate it on the arm here, move it to where I need. Got my tools down here on the tray. And yeah. Need to spin the wheel, you can do that. Clean the wheel, work on the brakes, and you know, for 99 bucks, it's a pretty good tool. It's definitely very sturdy. It's got this kind of thick aluminum frame on it. I think the brand is West Biking, it says in here, and it's called Cyclespeed. So check it out on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description of this video. And I'm not an affiliate, so I don't make any money on this, but yeah, it seems to work well. And used it twice now to clean the bike and work on my front brake. But yeah, that's the Cyclespeed bike stand. Definitely want to get this if you do any work on your bike at all, it makes things a lot easier, particularly if you have to work on the wheels at all. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the channel. Appreciate you guys subscribing and leaving those comments, so keep it up, and definitely motivates me to do more of these videos for you as well. So again, thanks for watching, and see you next time on Crisscrossed.